Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing Windows and the SDK. Enable developer mode so you can run unsigned apps, then install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path. Next, install Visual Studio with the desktop development workload so required C++ tools are present. Once done, open PowerShell and run Flutter Doctor to confirm Windows tooling and the SDK are recognized. If Flutter Doctor shows missing items, install them now before creating a project. Now create and configure the app. Run Flutter create my app platforms equals Windows to scaffold a Windows-targeted project. Open the folder in Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio. Make sure the Windows folder and CMake files are present. Once opened, run Flutter pub get to fetch packages and check Flutter config for enabled Windows desktop. Then build once with Flutter build Windows to generate native binaries and confirm the toolchain compiles. This step reveals missing compilers or CMake issues early. Finish by building, testing, and deploying. Run Flutter run dwindows to launch the app locally and iterate on UI and behavior. When ready to ship, use Flutter build Windows release to produce distributable binaries and sign or package them as needed. Make sure to test on target Windows versions and hardware. If something fails, the key troubleshooting step is to inspect path, confirm Visual Studio desktop development and C++ tools are installed, and review CMake and Flutter build logs for precise error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.